So, good evening, guys. Aristocrat has added a new installment of Baozu. Is it Baozu Zaofu Ignite? It has a strike, a zone, and a split. Now, I'm in about, I don't know, 140. And I've gotten a bonus. I'm trying to open up the strike. Or get the grand. Okay. Now in this version, not sure if the minis, minors, or anything multiply, because most of the time with Aristocrat they don't, depending on the game. So one more for the grand. How about that? It's not even huge. I filled up all the zones, which is great. It was giving me a hard time. Not sure if this is money back, but it's money back enough for me to get up. Yeah, it doesn't look like the progressive did anything. Money back up, money back. Okay. I thought I was down for the count. There we go. And that is the new Baozu Zaofu Ignite here at my local.